Farmer Harcourt was expecting a new flock of lambs in time for Christmas. With the small controller's permission, he enlisted Jock to help bring supplies for building a new pen. Unfortunately, Jock became rather conceited about this.
I was chosen because I'm the strongest engine on the whole railway.
Not again.
You all struggle with your regular trains, while I stroll away with anything I'm given.
Strength isn't everything, you know.
But Jock was too stuffed up to listen. Work on the new pen went smooth. Willie had been instructed by his master to help with the construction. Although Willie promised to work his hardest, Jock kept a close eye on him.
Wouldn't want clumsy old Willie causing another accident.
It was almost Christmas when he delivered the last supply train. Willie was waiting to take the supplies back to the farm.
Thank goodness. We need to finish that pen post-haste before the snowstorm arrives tonight.
Snowstorm?
Aye, it's supposed to be real fierce. The lambs will need all the protection they can get.
Well, you better get a move on.
Before long, Willie's trailer was loaded and he hurried away. Once at the farm, he worked as fast as he could. The sheep were starting to become frantic. Willie was just fastening the lock on the pen door when his master called him away. A while later, Jock was returning from the mines with a ballast train. He was looking forward to returning to his shed when, in the distance, he could make out a figure close to the tracks.
What's gotten into you?
Sheep escaped. Started to lamb.
That was all Jock needed to hear. His driver helped Willie into the cab, and they set out into the storm to find the sheep.
It's like finding a needle in a haystack.
Looks like we won't get any further.
That's no snow, that's sheep. They haven't started lambing yet, but we need to get them somewhere warm and fast.
We're not too far from the shed. We could take the sheep there.
No problem. I'll just push them along.
Come on, you stupid animals! Shoo, shoo, shoo! Go on, clear off! Come on! What do I have to do?
Strength isn't everything, you know.
With Willie guiding the way, Jock slowly led the flock through the icy wind.
Fancy being a shepherd now, eh, Jock?
Though he spoiled the effect when Jock explained the situation. The sheep were soon resting in the warmth of the shed. The driver quickly phoned them a vet, as well as a doctor for Willie, who by now could hardly stand. When they arrived, the vet and the doctor examined their patients.
Are the sheep all right?
They're more than alright. They've just finished lambing.
I owe you a great deal. Is there any way I can make it up to you?
None at all. But just make sure you don't let them escape again.
Even Willie had to laugh.